Hi everyone, my name is Thuong. I'm here in Danang City, Vietnam. In today's video, we will explore Danang City by foreign by and talk about cruise and me future plan. As you know, Cruz has returned to Michigan, his hometown in the US, since June. We haven't seen each other for about 6 months. He is working very hard every day, preparing everything for us to move to America next year. He is a very wonderful husband and I am proud of him. As you have seen in previous video, Cruz is the one who records the video, talk and edits them. He is very busy right now, so I did everything about the video myself to support him. That's why recent videos are different from oldest video. I'm very happy everyone liked the video we make. Thank you so much for always supporting us. Talking about our plans this Christmas and New Year, Cruz is still in America. In mid-January, he will return to Vietnam, and we will stay here until I have a visa to go to America. He will rest and recover for 1 month in Danang. After that, we will return to my hometown to celebrate Lunar New Year with my family. Lunar New Year is a big holiday in Vietnam, similar to Thanksgiving Day in America. This year, my sibling will be staying in my hometown with us, so it will be a very fun time. My family really like the videos I record in October. Do you remember that? The video talking about my family, my hometown. After Lunar New Year, we have some travel plans but haven't decided where to go. Please give us some suggestions. Where should we go? There are some of our plans for the near future. I will update everyone with more new information. Only about 3 weeks until we meet. I'm so excited. This is the longest time we haven't seen each other, about 7 months. Currently, I'm cycling along the coast of Danang City. As you can see, there are many people who are exercising like me. The streets are wide and clean, so cycling is very safe. Danang has beautiful beaches, hike mountains, and not too busy traffic, so it is very suitable for traveling and cycling here. Let's cycling with me to explore around and try some street food. Let's go! Today, we will try real rice paper. The Vietnamese name is bánh tráng nướng. It also has another name, is Vietnamese pizza. Even though it's called the same name, but the flavor is completely different. It's just because of the similar shape that is called that. And it's very cheap, just about 15,000 Vietnam dong, about 60 or 70 US cents. Very cheap, right? And very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!